Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering video scheduler internal error, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing you need to do is to disconnect all the peripheral devices. That includes your mouse, your scanner, your printer, anything that is connected to the computer using a USB drive. Now what happens why we disconnect this is these peripheral devices, once they're connected, they push their own drivers so as to better communicate with the system, but these drivers at certain times can cause conflicts in the system, or because the drivers are corrupt, and that can cause these type of errors to pop up. So we'll disconnect the peripheral devices, and then if we have disconnected the mouse, we can't use the mouse, so we'll use the tab key, and we will keep using the tab key to execute whatever we have to do. So now for example, I need to run command prompt. I will look for command prompt, and then I will use the arrow keys, move it to the right pane, and then try to run as administrator, and then click on yes, and we can then type in the command sfc space s space slash scannow and press enter. Now I'm going to use the mouse, considering that I am going to use it on my laptop. So on the laptop you can use the touchpad, so just to make the video a little shorter and my work a little faster. So once you run the SFC scan, you need to update the graphics drivers card. So we'll in search, we will look for device manager, and then we'll click on it. And then we will go to display adapters, expand it, click on the graphics card, right, click on the graphics card and click on update driver, then click on scan auto search automatically for drivers. And once you do that, then we will run the system in the clean boot configuration, restart the system. So we will look for system configuration, click on it, then click on the services tab. And before we do anything, we need to make sure that we check the hide all Microsoft services box, because if we disable any Microsoft service by mistake, then our computer will fail to restart. So we will check all the uh, third party services here like Mozilla and Google, and then we will click on disable all, apply, OK, and then we will click on restart, and that should fix the problem. You should no longer get the error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.